name's Jessica. My husband is Jamie, and we have 2 kids and 2 dogs, and we are Adventures with Gillie. This is a 96 Gillie Phantom transit bus, and we converted it into our home over 2 years. So come on in and let's take a look. So we use our middle door as our entrance because we have the kids' room up front and our room in the back. We wanted some separation so we can kind of still live life while the kids are sleeping. So when you walk in, this is our main living area. We have a pretty big, spacious kitchen, which is great. We put in an apartment fridge for some extra storage space, which we love. We're very happy with that. And we went with the RV stove. Kind of regret that decision a little bit. I would go with an apartment stove, but that's okay. We did do custom cabinets, which is amazing because we measured like an avocado oil bottle to make sure the height fit perfectly, and they worked very well. But, you know, building them was not the easiest thing ever.
Do you have any trouble with the drawers?
The drawer pulls are tough. We've had quite a few break on us. So we're just kind of upgrading them to nicer, higher quality ones as they break.
You got the child lock, because that does keep it closed?
Yes, we do use the child locks when we're driving, and you just kind of push it down to open it, and then you put it to the side like that when you're done. And then when we're driving, we just open it like that, and it keeps it closed. So this is our couch. It doesn't pull out to a big bed or anything like that, but it is kind of wider and larger, and it's a very comfy thing, so if we have any visitors, they can comfortably sleep on here. And underneath, we've made the doors, we just haven't put them on yet. Eventually we will. That's kind of like the medicine cabinet, and then all the kids' toys down here. Here's our dinette. I was pretty adamant. I did want a permanent table just because the kids are constantly eating and drawing. And then we have storage in both of these. So this has been pretty nice. I think we will kind of change it to a bar top eventually, but we have an 18-month-old and her on a bar stool. Wouldn't be very fun right now. But that's working well right now. And then come up to the front of the bus in here. And this is the kids' room in here. So we have 2 bunks and just kind of clothes storage, book storage. This is a wheel well, so unfortunately that's not additional storage.
And a pocket door to
yes,
close
pocket doors right here. Yeah. We like the pocket doors a lot. They work very well. And then we have a little one, so this is kind of her cage, if you will. But the crib mattress fits in perfectly widthwise. And Jamie just built this extra little wooden area for the extra space for now since she's so young. But this is the kids' room. They love it. It functions perfectly for what we need.
Yeah, I like the way the ladder is done.
Yes, yes. We love that. It's worked really, really well. And then up front, we haven't done anything nice up front at all. It's just a driver area, tool storage, and the solar. He's still working on the solar, so it's a little bit of a construction zone up there. We've been going off of solar for 2 days now, though, which is very exciting. Hoping the sun comes out today, though, because it was so overcast.
We all hope the sun comes out today.
But it's going great. So we never did.
In case you're wondering, this is the second. Yesterday was gray. Today started out gray, so.
Yes. I keep checking the forecast. It was going to be sunny, but now that it might not be, so we're hoping for the best. But, so after this, then you just kind of come back through here, back to the living area. We did do a mini split for our heating and air conditioning, and we're very happy with it so far. It works very, very well. In extreme temperatures, it has a turbo setting that we can turn on. That's done wonders, but we've never done the turbo setting on solar yet. So we'll see how that works out.
Right.
But then come back here. And this is the master suite, if you will. I can open that up for a little bit more light. We have the famous Nature's Head toilet. Here is the shower. That is also storage.
All of our showers are storage.
And then we each get a closet side. We're still working on figuring out the storage solution. Dog bed for the big dogs. And today's a work day for my husband, so the bed is up right now. This is his desk. But then also you can remove that. He usually does this, so hopefully this goes well. And then it just kind of slowly comes down. And it's unmade today, but then that's our bed, and this is our bedroom. We have patches on the back wall that keep falling off for everywhere we go, which has been fun to kind of document our travels that way. But yeah, that's our bus.
Very nice.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you for the tour.
Of course.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that video of that great schoolie, and in the coming weeks there'll be more. So please, I will see you next Saturday for a tour of another schoolie. Steampunk Steve saying, see you on the road.